in turn Henry's how-tos, I'm going to show you how to make Persian Sohan Asali. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so the first thing I've done is just set up some baking paper on a flat surface. You want to get that ready because we have to work quickly when this is ready. So just into a saucepan, we're going to start by adding in 1 cup of white sugar. And to our sugar we'll add about half a cup of honey. And we're just going to turn the heat on and we just want to stir this on a medium heat. Alright guys, so once that's all dissolved, we'll take the spoon out. And we're going to attach a candy thermometer because we need an accurate temperature for this. And all we want to do at this point is increase the temperature, and we want to reach about 145 degrees Celsius. This will be roughly 290 Fahrenheit. Okay, so we're at about 145 degrees Celsius now, so what I'm going to do is add in a 1/4 cup of slivered almonds. We'll also add in about 3 tablespoons of butter. And we'll just add in a pinch of salt. And we'll just want to stir that together. Now don't turn the heat off. So we're at 150 Celsius now, so take your candy thermometer out. And we'll turn the heat off. And we're going to add in about a tablespoon of rosewater. Stir that through. Be very careful not to touch anything because it is very hot. And we're also going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and just stir that through. And guys, when it starts to look like that, that's normal. So you're doing the right thing. So continue mixing, you just want to get that well combined. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our baking paper. So all we're going to do is just ladle circles out like that. Now you can do any shape you want. You can even make a really big one and then just break it up after if you like. Now I should also point out, don't go doing this on plastic or anything because it's going to melt right through it. At this point what we're going to do is sprinkle some pistachio onto each one. So it's just medium crushed. Alright, so all we need to do is leave these alone now and let it come back to temperature. Don't go touching them, they're going to be ridiculously hot. Alright guys, so once you've let them cool down, it will only take about 5 or 10 minutes as it cools down quite quickly. You'll be able to peel them straight off just like that. And they'll keep their shape as you can see. So we'll go ahead and take them all off. Alright, so I've taken them all off the paper as you can see. So let's go ahead and put it on a nice plate to serve. So guys, this is something that needs to be airtight, you can't just leave it out in the open. Now it goes perfectly with a nice glass of tea. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.